In 1883, the eruption of Krakatoa was so powerful that its sound waves circled the globe 7 times. This explosion was heard over 3,000 miles away, making it the loudest sound ever recorded. But how did these sound waves travel such vast distances? Sound waves move through air by vibrating molecules, creating a ripple effect. The denser the medium, the faster sound travels. Krakatoa's eruption sent shock waves through the atmosphere, demonstrating the incredible power of sound. And this event not only reshaped geography, but also deepened our understanding of acoustics. Could such a phenomenon happen again?